In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly shop on Shopee and make your purchase with Gcash. So, whether you're new to online shopping or just want to streamline your process, this guide will help you navigate Shopee's platform with ease. Let's dive right into it. To get started, open up your Shopee dashboard. Right at the top, you'll notice the search bar. This is your go-to tool for finding exactly what you're looking for. Type in the name of the item you wish to purchase. For example, if you're in the market for a t-shirt, simply type t-shirt and hit enter. Once you've entered your search, a list of available t-shirts will appear. Take your time to browse through the options. Find a shirt that catches your eye and click on it to view more details. Here's a crucial part. If the shirt you chose has different variants, you'll need to select your preferred options. This could be the color you fancy, the right size for you, and perhaps even the quantity if you plan on buying more than one. After making these selections, add the item to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. This action saves it for later when you're ready to check out. Speaking of which, to access your cart, locate the cart icon on the top right corner of the page and give it a click. In your cart, you'll see all the items you've saved. Now find the checkbox next to the t-shirt you opted for and click it. This step ensures you've selected the correct items for purchase. Once you've confirmed your selection, click Checkout to proceed to the payment page. On this next size page, you will need to choose your payment method. Look for the word Change, usually located near the current payment option, and click on it. A menu with different payment options such as payment centers and e-wallets will pop up. Since we're focusing on Gcash today, go ahead and select that option. This choice will direct your payment through Gcash, making the transaction smooth and convenient. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've not only selected and added items to your cart on Shopee, but you've also navigated through the checkout process to make a secure payment using Gcash. Not only is this a great way to get the items you love, but it also ensures that your payment is handled quickly and efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made your online shopping experience on Shopee seamless and enjoyable. Happy shopping!